An injured seagull has been found at the beach. The animal got stuck in a fishing line and hooks. The tourists were quick to help and remove the hook stuck in the seagull. It looks like it was their first time seeing a seagull this close. After freeing him from the fishing line, they are now trying to remove the hook. This is a bit painful for him, but the hook has to be removed. And they did it! They managed to remove the hook. But once the seagull was free to fly, a dog decided to bite him. The seagull is now safe from the dog too.